Welcome home, dream girls. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I am a black man's dream, and this is a black man's dream fashion. This is home. This is a black man's dream fashion as we know it for 2021. So, this is where I've been shooting my videos here in my glam room for 2021. I have made some changes in here, some very subtle changes, but the thing that you guys don't know is where I started and where I want to go. But before we get into where I want to go, I think that we should talk about where we are and where we came from before we move forward, because we are a family. And I want it to always feel like a family. I want you guys to know that and feel like you know me personally. And I want this channel to be very close-knit, you know. And I always encourage y'all on every video to comment anything that you would like to say and whatever you would like to see me stop doing. And I honestly mean that. On this channel, we're family. We are family and we are friends. And I treat you guys the same way I do anybody outside of YouTube. If you're my friend and you see something wrong, I want you to tell me, because I feel like that's what you should do. Don't let me go outside looking a certain kind of way, or don't let me do something and you're not telling me that it doesn't look good, it's not right, things like that. So when I tell you guys, comment down below anything, I'm not emotional. I don't get upset like every other YouTuber. Me, I will hope that you guys will comment. I wouldn't care what it was. Even if you say, I don't like what you got on your hair, it's ugly. At least I would know what it is that you like and what it is that you don't like. I would rather you tell me that than to click out of the video and not say anything. So, that being said, moving forward, guys, I really do need and appreciate your feedback, because that is the only way this family is gonna grow. Everything that I have is from Rainbow, okay? But I do want to evolve, and I do want to show you guys how to spice up things using stuff outside of Rainbow. And as I grow, this family get bigger, I get speaking into existence, I get people that collaborate with me and sponsor me, and the channel grows and things like that. But this is where we are now. This is where we are now. I really do appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support. This is a new channel. You guys are new subscribers. Everybody here is new. My room is new. I just made this room and I'm just starting out. It's not a lot, but this is a black man's dream fashion, and y'all are my day ones, and y'all and whoever come after this, you'll be able to look back and see, like, wow, this is where our family started from. This is how we grew. That's another thing that you guys can comment. Let me know, what is it like that you will always have wanted to have in a YouTube family? Like, when you look at YouTubers and you always be like, you know, you like this person, you fall in love with their work and their channel and stuff like that. And it's like something that you always wanted out of that channel. That is what I want this channel to be. But I want you guys to relate with me so that I can pour out to you guys what you always wanted. And I feel like this because I am a person that watch YouTube videos too, and I have gotten disappointed too. It's like, if you can't find what you want in life, create it. So I am creating the YouTube channel that I always wanted. So right now, these are the shoes that I have, and the clothes that I have, and the glasses that I have, and the perfumes and the purses that I have. And y'all mark this on y'all calendar, and y'all can refer back to this video as y'all see us grow. Put up this shelf today, and it is completely empty. But this is the angle that it is in now. And if you guys remember, it was a mirror here with an open space. So I changed it. Let me know what you guys think about the layout that I have for it now. You guys see, I repositioned them and I added another shelf because we are taking this channel and I'm gonna be getting more pieces and things like that, adding to what I have right now. Like I say, this is the beginning, and we're just doing a walkthrough to remember where the Dream family started from. And now, this is the other side of the room that you guys don't ever see. I have a TV in here that I would like to see videos on while I'm sitting and doing my makeup and stuff. And this is where I moved the shorter stands to over here. And I have this space right here that I was thinking if I'm gonna put my clothing rack still right there or just leave it for the lighting equipment to go there when I finish. What do you guys think? So, and I put the black mirror over here, and I believe I'm gonna just like put this for like accessories and stuff like that. But right now, this is what I have. This is how I have it set up. Editing here at this table. These are the curtains that I have up for the room and stuff like that. It is a pearl ball with diamonds and stuff like that. That is what I put up. So that is how the room is looking right now with the curtains. And then I have the mannequin head where I'm supposed to be sitting and doing my wigs and stuff like that. So let me know if you guys want to see stuff like that, like wig reviews and more like accessories, and where I get accessories and different stuff from different stores. And I do want to do a lot of rainbow videos, but I really need to know if you guys would like to see fashion from other places, because I will show you guys how to make the outfits look a lot more expensive if I pair it with other things. So let me know if that's something you will be interested in. So over here, I have my books and stuff like that. Like in this book, I will be like writing things down every day, like that I need to do and get done. And this is my book from YouTube, the YouTube formula from Daryl Eves, because I do want to take this channel further and get it better. This is a little book that I have that I'm gonna keep on here. This is This Girl Won't Stop. I got it from the Dollar Tree. Write down things that I need to do. This is a computer that I bought 2 years ago, and I did not know how to use it. It's so difficult. I even bought a camera, and I will be using it to make better content. I have to practice, and here is what my jewelry and makeup and stuff is inside of these glass boxes. I keep my jewelry and stuff. I will be sitting down and coming up with a lot of great video ideas. The new year is coming in. Anything that you guys would like to see, make sure you comment down below, because I am in the process of sitting at my desk and coming up with a lot of great videos, because I want to keep the moment. This is why Vlogmas was so important to me, to try to like kickstart my energy of like, and making myself stick to it, like holding myself accountable. And I've been doing really well with this. I want to also thank you guys for always stopping by. We're almost to December 25th. I really appreciate you guys sticking in with me. I am proud of myself that I have put a video out every day for Vlogmas. Anyway, guys, this is Vlogmas, and I will see you guys tomorrow in Vlogmas 20. Thank you guys, and see you soon.